little something different today. I plan on going to the auction that's local here in Tennessee. The run list shows 65 different cars going up for auction. I need a running driving car for a friend of mine that blew his up. Budget about $1,200, and I plan on bidding on a 1956 Ford F100. I like the oldies, and they happen to have one going up for auction, and I'll give you an idea of what a run list looks like. So this is a run list, what you kind of expect what's going to be running up for auction. You can see it's tonight, and there's a 2000 Ford Honda Accord, 165,000 miles. I would expect that to go for $1,200 or less. It's pretty cheap. There's so many of them. For some reason, trucks here in Tennessee, they sell for a premium. So a 2005 Ford F-150, that's probably going to bring $4,500 to $5,000, even with 206,000 miles on it. And what I am actually looking at is right here. 1956 F100 white. 0 miles, means it does not have a motor in it. And that's what I'm going to be going after. The other one I'm looking at for my buddy is a 1989 Cougar with 57,000 original miles. I'm hoping I can pick that up for under 1,500 bucks. Now this screen right here, you get to see what the previous auctions have went for. So like, here's a 2014. Well, let me click on it. Right here's a 2014 Honda Sonata, 4-door, 91,000 miles. It went for $4,500. Usually the Honda Accords, believe it or not, they sell fairly cheap. There's so many of them that goes through the auction right here. The 2005 Honda Accord, 299,000 miles, sold for $1,000. You know, high mileage, they just don't sell that much money. The 2004 Cadillac CTS 4-door sedan sold for $1,500 with 132,000 miles. That's around here. That's about a $3,000 to $3,500 car all day long. Sounds funny seeing a Saturn, considering we used to specialize in them. 132,000 miles. Actually really clean. There's no key in it. Someone took the key out. Typical Saturn. That would be a definite possibility. Well, this was supposed to be a 56 bubble fender, according to the listing. And if I'm not mistaken, that is not a 56.
Instead of 56, that is a 54.
Yeah, that is definitely not a 56.
Hey, they're back under this one. Here's the pump, here it would have been as is, red light, time of delay, as is, time of delay. Here, how much here it would have been 3,500, 3,500, here it would have been 5,000, I'm going to be 1,100 pounds. Here, here, now, here it would have been a month, here it would have been a month, 13. Here, 13, it would have been a month, 13, and now 13, it would have been a half, here it would have been a half, 14. Here, 14, it would have been a 14, it would have been a track, 1,400, now half. Here, now 15, it would have been a 15, it would have been a track, 1,500. Here, 15, it would have been a month, here it would have been a month, half, here it would have been a half, 16. 16, make it up with a 10, make it up with a 1600, 16, make it up with a 15, 1600, here's 16, make it up with a 10, make it up with a 100, 16, 16, 15, 15, we'll call, 1362, no, 8400, 8400, 8400 for the phone call. 8,400 within the hey, I'm a hey, I'm a number 2, right here, hands is, hey, I'm a hey, I'm a time lay, hands is, time lay, hey, I'm a hey, I'm a 25, hey, 25, hey, I'm a number 1, hey, I'm a number 1, hey, I'm a hey, 500, 600, hey, 5 down, 7, I'm a number 1, 7, I'm a 70, somebody here, let's go, 700, yes, 7 down, 7, hey, I'm a 7 now, hey, I'm a 7, 8, hey, I'm a 8, hey, I'm a 7, Bobby, hey, I'm a 8, now, hey, I'm a 8, now, I'm going to put it in the 9, 8.5, I'm going to put it in the 9, I'm going to put it in the 8.5, 8.5, I'm going to put it in the 9, I'm going to put it in the 9, I'm going to put it in the 9, 8.5, we're going to call 3038, 850 with a call, 3038. 3038 with a 3038 with a home call. Hey, number 4 with 8.
Well, I ended up buying it. Cost me a couple $100. 132,000 miles. Decent interior. I ran across the auction block. Don't know anything about it until I actually try to drive it home. So, not bad for a few $100.